Namaskar and welcome to you for the daily weather update from the Indian Meteorological Department. I am Dr. Raghu, bringing you the latest forecast to help you plan your day with confidence. So if you talk about the highlights for today, especially dense to very dense fog conditions very likely to continue during night and morning hours over Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana till 1st January 2026. Due to this, especially during the New Year celebrations time, you can experience the fog over these regions, and Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand till 30th December and Bihar till 27th, and pockets of Assam and Meghalaya till 26th December. Dense fog conditions during night and morning hours very likely to prevail at some pockets of our Assam, Meghalaya, Bihar, Odisha till 30th December, and especially over Himachal Pradesh and Southern West Bengal for the 27th and 28th December. And cold day to severe cold day conditions very likely to at a few places over the East Uttar Pradesh on 26th and 27th, and cold day conditions very likely at isolated pockets of Southern West Bengal on 26th, that is today, and Bihar during today and tomorrow, Uttarakhand during 26th to 20th December, and West Uttar Pradesh and East Uttar Pradesh over the 26th to 20th December. And cold wave conditions likely to prevail over the parts of the North Rajasthan on 27th and Jharkhand on 27th to 20th December. Talk about the past weather observed during the last 24 hours. Dense to very dense fog, that is less than 50-meter visibility, has been prevailed over the many parts of Uttar Pradesh and isolated pockets of Assam, Meghalaya, Punjab and Haryana. So especially West Uttar Pradesh and East Uttar Pradesh recorded prevailed fog during this time, and that is continuing till noon for today. So due to this, many road and railway operations can be affected, and dense fog, especially in between 200 meters to 50 meters, reported in isolated pockets over Manipur, Southern West Bengal and Sikkim, Odisha, Bihar, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Cold day to severe cold day conditions has been observed over the isolated pockets of East Uttar Pradesh, and cold day conditions over the Bihar, and cold wave conditions observed at isolated places over the Jharkhand also. If you talk about the synoptic situation that we see today, the western disturbance seen as a trough in middle tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 km above the mean sea level runs roughly along 64 degrees east latitude to the north of 32 degrees north is persisting, and subtropical westerlies jet stream with core winds of the 125 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level prevails over the northeast India, and we are expecting a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect the western Himalayan region from 30th December to 2025. If you talk about the forecast of minimum temperatures for next 7 days, there is no significant change in minimum temperatures very likely over northwest, central and east India for next 4-5 days, and thereafter we can see a rise of by 2 to 3 degrees in the subsequent 3 days, and there is no significant change in minimum temperature over the remaining parts of the country during the next 7 days. If you talk about day 1, that is today 26th December 2025, dense fog to very dense fog has been forecasted over the East and West Uttar Pradesh, followed by the very dense fog over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar regions, and cold day conditions has been issued over the Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Uttarakhand regions, and cold wave conditions has been given over the Rajasthan and Jharkhand regions as well, and dense fog forecast has been given over the northeastern states and Southern West Bengal, Odisha regions as well, and thunderstorm with lightning with a wind gustiness of 30 to 40 km per hour has been forecasted over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If you talk about the day 2, dense to very dense fog conditions has been continued for 27th December 2025 as well, followed by very dense fog prediction over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana and Bihar as well, and cold day conditions is likely to be prevail over the East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar for tomorrow also. Then fog conditions is continued over the northeast regions and Odisha, Southern West Bengal and Jharkhand regions, and cold wave has been given over the Jharkhand. And if you talk about day 3, that is 20th December 2025, very dense fog has been predicted over the Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar regions as well, and cold day conditions are likely to be prevailed over the Bihar and East Uttar Pradesh for the day 3 also, and fog has been issued over the northeast region and Odisha, and thunderstorm with lightning with gustiness of 30 to 40 km has been continued for the Andaman Nicobar for day 3 also. And if you talk about day 4, that is very dense fog has been continued over the plains of the West Himalayan and Uttar Pradesh and Bihar regions as well, and with dense fog over the Uttarakhand. And for day 5, if you talk about, dense fog has been given for the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand, and followed by very dense fog over the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh regions with the dense fog, and dense fog conditions has been continued over the Assam Meghalaya and NMT region along with Odisha, and cold wave conditions has been given over the Bihar region, and thunderstorm with lightning with gustiness of 30 to 40 km has been continued over the Andaman Nicobar region. If you talk about day 6 and day 7, dense to very dense fog has been given over the especially over Punjab, Haryana, East and West Uttar Pradesh regions. Due to the prevailing fog conditions over these regions, mainly transport and aviation sectors may get affect due to this prevailing fog conditions, and chances of tripping of power lines in the very dense fog routes also can be expected. And due to the prevailing dense fog conditions, long related health impacts can be seen, especially due to the increase of particulate matter and other pollutants, and in case of suppose it gets lodged in the lungs, clogging them, and may result in the heavy breathing and coughing and shortness of breath. And irritation sometimes due to the pollutant increasing over the urban regions. Especially be careful while driving or routing through any transport. Use fog lights during the driving, and be in touch with the airlines and railways and state transport for schedule of your journey, especially for power sector, to keep ready maintenance team, and please avoid outing until unless emergency, and cover the face. Thank you, and please follow us through our social media platforms, and please be updated regularly with our website and other social media platforms of IMD. Thank you very much.